We are going to solve one problem on B tree. So here is the problem for us. Consider a table T in a relational database with a key field K. A B tree of order P is used as an access structure on K, where P denotes the maximum number of tree pointers in a B tree index node. Assume that K is 10 bytes long. So that is the key field in the relational database table is having the 10 bytes long, and P is the number of pointer fields. Disk block size is 512 bytes. Each data pointer PD is 8 bytes long and each block pointer PB is 5 bytes long. So PD is 8 bytes long, that is denoting the data pointer, and PB is denoting the respective block pointer, that is 5 bytes long. In order for each B tree node to fit in a single disk block, calculate the maximum value of P. So you are supposed to calculate the maximum number of pointers in one index node. So here the options are given. So this question came in the GATE exam, and here are the respective options. So we shall have to do the calculations separately, get the answer, and then after getting the answer we shall put a tick on the required option number. So how to solve this one? So now here is the solution for us. So let us suppose we are considering P, that is the number of pointer fields in a node. So P minus 1 into key pointer size plus record pointer size. So that means the key pointer size, that is which is the block pointer, and record pointer size is means it will be pointing to the respective record, plus P into block pointer size. So this is the total size of the dash count should be the size of a single index node, and that size should be less than equal to 512. So as it is given in our question paper. So we know that in case of index node, if we have P number of pointer fields, then we will be having P minus 1 number of respective key fields and the respective record pointers. So that's why P minus 1 into key pointer size plus record pointer size. So we are going for this P minus 1 number of times plus P into block pointer size, because it is actually pointing to the next child. So that will be of the count P, and that total sum must be less than equal to 512. So if you go on doing the calculations, so ultimately you are getting P must be less than equal to 23. So P is equal to 23 should be the answer. So I have done the respective calculations in between. So here we are having this option number C with the value 23. In this way, such problems can be solved. Thanks for watching this video.